Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn off the mirror effect on Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus smartphone. First, let's open the camera on the smartphone. Make sure that you have the photo mode selected and switch the camera to the frontal one by tapping this icon, then tap the 4 circles icon to open quick camera settings. Tap the gear icon to go to general settings. Then scroll down until you find Save Selfies as Previewed option. Switch this toggle to the right. And then take a photo. And a photo will look exactly like what you see on your camera screen. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.